It's Tiff Farms Tuesday Tips. Welcome back, gardeners. I just wanted to talk about an important resource in our communities that we have, and that is your local university-based cooperative extension. And every state has one, and every state's counties have one. So it's an important resource. You can get a lot of knowledgeable information about all of anything green, I say, your shrubs, your grass, your trees, your vegetables. It's really an excellent resource. You can get your soil testing done there. You can be like me and be a master gardener. I love that experience. It was so good. It was such a good networking opportunity and a wealth of knowledge that will last me forever. So that's just a really good opportunity. You volunteer and you're able to, just network and share the love of your passion for gardening. So it's really good. And you can just look up, do a search of your local county cooperative extension, and they are scientific based, so it's connected with a university, and you get really good information. So it's a good resource to have. So check it out.